1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. Infighting, the great distraction. Do all things without complaining and disputing. Soldiers know that one of the greatest tools to use against the enemy is divide and conquer. By weakening the unity of one's opponent, you rob him of his strength to carry out his duties and defend himself. The same is true in the church. We must work toward love and unity at all times. Otherwise, the works of the local congregation will be destroyed. Most of all, we become distracted from fulfilling the Great Commission of winning souls for Christ because our time is occupied in non-productive arguments and division. Be the cause of peace, love, and unity instead of division. If not, then you are a great help to Satan and a hindrance to God's work. May God bless and keep you in peace and unity. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ.